This time of pandemic, lives had been at stake. Challenges after challenges disrupted the old ways. COVID-19 will not stop us to celebrate, to harvest the fruits of their labor these brave souls had to endure. Amid the changes in education because there is no face-to-face. Join us in a one-of-a-kind experience as we bring to you the Aaihs Agro-Industrial High School Virtual Graduation and Completion 2021.
A pleasant day to everyone. Graduation is always an exciting day to every student because it is the time of the year that they reap the fruit of their sacrifices.
But this year is not just the usual graduation day because of the COVID-19 pandemic. This pandemic brought many changes and challenges in our lives, and the education system is not an exception.
Still, we don't like to miss this special day despite of the pandemic, as we have this one-of-a-kind experience as we celebrate the culmination activity, the new normal way. This is Baby Ruth S. Manuel. I am honored to be your Masters of Ceremonies for today.
I am Argel Pagibitan, also your Master of Ceremonies of this momentous event as we witness the Aaihs Agro-Industrial High School Virtual Graduation and Completion Exercises 2021 with the theme Strengthening Quality of Education amid COVID-19 Pandemic.